Back again at the house. I gotta maybe come up with a name for this place. Everett by the Sea? Yeah, that's kind of weird. I don't know. I'll work on that. Back here again to get some work done. Got some help coming. Dave's going to be over here. My nephew CJ is going to be here. And it's a beautiful day out here. I like having days like this now that we've gotten into spring. It reminds me of why we bought this place. So times when you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed by what's going on and all the other circumstances in your life, it's kind of nice to come out here on the deck and look at the view. Let's see what's been done so far. Got some pecs coming up through the ceiling. No, it's not coming through the ceiling, it's coming through the floor. So my personal goal today is to get this former pantry framing out of here and open that up. I say it's a goal because I can get it done in a day, no problem. I could get it done in a couple hours, but this is my on-call week at work, so I could get called away at any moment. And I do have a couple of subs coming today to give me bid on the furnace and doing some duct work. Some of the duct work is in need of modifications and or repairs. So the previous owner had put these strips on the ceiling so that they could just put ceiling tiles up. So we're going to yank these down so the drywall can go up eventually. My secondary son that nobody talks about, CJ, ripping these down. CJ upstairs talking to himself like a fool. Man, look at this. Getting work done down here. Yeah, you get a little like a virtual joystick there to control the camera.
What?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, son. I stepped my video game up. Oh, video game. Oh man, CJ getting it done down here, doing business. It's business time. Hey man, remember that time we went down to Disneyland and you and JJ ate 10 pounds of peanut M&Ms on the road trip?
We went through like 3 bags. We went through like that. Oh my gosh, that was borderline diabetic.
Well, we've run into our first major snag here. Yesterday when I had my nephew knocking these beams down from where the pantry was, right in the entryway. You probably can't see it too much from this angle. When you come over here, you might notice quite a bit of slope on that up there. And it dropped about 1.5 inches. So that's a problem. My father-in-law doesn't think it's going to be too big of a deal, so I'm going to trust him on this one because I think I've made it abundantly clear throughout this video series that I don't know what I'm doing. But according to him, we can just get up there in the attic and shore up the trusses and lift that back up. So I hope that's the case because I'd rather not have it come crashing down on our heads. And we got a bunch of framing in over here for the master suite. And that's pretty sweet. Tammy's over here working away like the hard-working worker bee that she is. Hey, don't hide. My videos have a definite lack of Tammy.